man is a can, he got on rocker wear. LOL, baby, I'm just saying. I bet you never met a nigga with a swag like this. You the same as the rest, but Bloz used to this. If I gave you a chance, you would know what to do. He said, yeah, I got a swag, but she got a swag too. So you a fan, or you playing, or you stand with that cat. You can't get used to this life, cause I barely can.
You know you heard of me, so time we ain't gotta wait. She know all the words to cha-ching and got me great. Ass so fat, look like you ain't gotta waste. I wanna drink your Coca-Cola body shape. Your man swag out of state, but my swag out of space. I get all kind of cake, and his swag kind of cake. Probably sound like I'm trying to hate, just wanna tell you something. She said she don't kiss and tell, I could tell she frontin'.
Back with frontin', you say these cans or something. Open up your legs and let me tell you something. They can be close to their friends or something. Baby, you were back with frontin', you say these cans or something. Open up your legs and let me tell you something. You can be close to their friends or something. Like it when I say ooh baby, so she ooh baby. When I ooh baby, open up your legs, let me tell you something. Guess I'm speaking French, I think I'm the fan though. Do something to me when she sing my damn song. Even got a nigga on her cell ringtone. She don't know me, so she must be a fan or something. Baby, you a back with frontin', you must be a man, you must be a fan. Open up your legs and let me tell you something. You can be closer than friends or something. Baby, you a back with frontin', you must be a man or something. You must be a man or something. Open up your legs and friends.